Haisai and mensore to the Japan Guide Kitchen, a little side project in which we focus on simple Japanese recipes to try at home. Today, we're going to Okinawa and making their braised pork belly known as Rafute. We'll need pork belly, Karashi mustard, awamori, ginger, Okinawan brown sugar, vegetable or fish stock powder, and soy sauce. Let's get started. First, parboil the pork belly for a few minutes and rinse it after to get rid of the scum. Next, slice the pork and put it into a clean saucepan before adding the rest of the ingredients. I'm just gonna taste the awamori to make sure it's good before adding it in. It's good practice to check your ingredients first, right? Okay, we're good. Moving on. Add the awamori, soy sauce, black sugar, stock powder, and more water into the saucepan and mix it all together. Instead of using a lid, we're going to quickly make a paper lid using baking paper. Put the paper lid over the mixture and turn the heat down to low and let the pork simmer for about 2 to 2.5 hours. Slice the ginger into thin strips and put it on a plate just before the pork is done. Wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. Plate the pork slices, add a dab of mustard, and try not to burn your mouth while eating. So good. I hope you enjoyed this cooking video. Let us know in the comments below if you have made this before or gave this a try. Rafute, like all good things, just takes time.